Ready now. Gauge back the rope and racing. All in front is taken by Dados Pride, running by the wheel, power head. Around the outside, Amazing Act, then followed by Fabiola at the inner rail. Now is Para Sayo, showing speed now is Strong Boy. Passing the winning post, it's Datos Pride in front by Lang, followed by Strong Boy. Amazing Act, running by the wheel is power head. Fabiola sneaking in now, Para Sayo. And out of straight they travel, Datos Pride, followed by Powerhead. Para Sayo is sneaking by the wheel, Amazing Act, Strong Boys around the outside. Pipa riding in 6, watching them is Fabiola. Down in 6 or 7 position now is Green Lane. Down the half mile they travel, Strong Boy grabs the lead, Para Sayo, Amazing Act, Powerhead, Dados Pride, long way back, Fabiola, Green Lane, here comes Terry Tunzi, Tunet, Bunduk, Peninsula, then followed by Hakuna Matata, who's running in the tail of the field. Inside the last 600, going to the last 4, Strong Boy, Para Sayo, moves up now to grab the leader towards the final corner. It's now Para Sayo. Leads now by some 3 lengths, followed by Strong Boy in second. Terry Toon moving up now to take third. Green Lane on the outside is Itonet, but still Para Sayo leading by some 6 lengths now. And finally Para Sayo. Green Lane, Strong Boy, close, Itonet, Terry Toon, number 8, Hakuna Matata.